Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix D3DX9_43.dll is missing on League of Legends. So without further ado, let's get started. So the first thing that you need to do here, you need to make sure that your Windows operating system and your GPU drivers is fully updated. And to make sure that on search, you just need to go to settings and then scroll down until you see Windows Update, press on that. Then check for updates, and if there is an update for you that you need to download and install it, please do so. And after that, restart your computer, and then you need to look if the problem persists or not. Same thing with your GPU drivers, depending on what you're using. I'm using NVIDIA, so there is an app called GeForce Experience. I just need to go to drivers and check for update and download and install latest updates for my GPU. If you're using AMD, I believe there is AMD Radeon app to that, right? And after you restart your computer, if the problem persists, another thing that you can do here, you need to open a browser. Then you just need to write DirectX, and probably it will be the first link here by Microsoft.com. Download DirectX and use your runtime from official website. So select that, press download, save it to your computer, and then once it's downloaded, then you just need to open up the folder, not folder, setup. Press I accept agreement, deselect this option, press next, install it, and after that just restart your computer and your problem should be fixed. Right, so that's pretty much it. If I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care.